Hello guys, welcome to Programming Go. In this section we will cover about basics of Java and how to install Java on your system, Java IDK on your systems. Well, let's start with what is Java. Java is a programming and computing platform first released by Sun Microsystem in 1955. There are lots of applications and websites that will not work unless you have installed Java on your computer. Java is more fast, secure and reliable than other languages. From laptops to data centers, game consoles to scientific computers, cell phones to the internet, Java is everywhere. Java is guaranteed to be WORA. WORA means write once and run anywhere. We will cover this topic later. Let's start with Java's features of Java. Java is object oriented. It means that in Java everything is an object. Java can be easily extended since it is based on object model because you can't code anything in Java without declaring classes and objects. You will learn this in later sections. Even the small hello world declares in class, a class hello world app. Next thing that makes Java so popular is Java is platform independent. Unlike many other languages, programming languages including C and C++, when Java is compiled, it is not compiled into platform specific machine, rather into platform independent bytecode. Java developed a platform independent bytecode which can only be read by Java virtual machine. This bytecode is distributed over the web and interpreted by a virtual machine or whichever platform it is being run. That makes Java platform independent. Means you can write if you write program on Windows, you can run same program on Mac or Linux also. Other thing which make Java so popular is its simplicity. Java is designed to be easy to learn. Believe me, it is the most easy language to start with. If you understand the basic concept of OP, Java would be easy to master. Java also provides security. Java language provides a secure environment because all the programs run inside a virtual sandbox virtual machine. It's the same virtual machine which we read here. Its its bytecode generate after many layered verification process which make it more secure and more hard to decrypt, which determined by securing managers. Java also provide high performance with the use of just-in-time compilers. Java enables high performance. Its bytecode is closer to machine language. That's the all basics of Java. We will study Java more deeply in later section. Now let me show you how to install Java on your system. First we have to check whether we have already installed Java or not. For this, go to my computer or start, then type cmd. You have to run command prompt and run is as administrator. In this type javac. if if this code is promoted, this means your Java is not installed. Now follow my steps on how to install Java on your system. First of all, open any web browser and type Java IDK and press enter. Here you will see www.oracle.com. Open this link and here you will see Java Java platform JDK. The latest version is this and NetBeans. I recommend you to install both as we are going to use both in later sections. Download these programs. After clicking this, search your system. I am using Windows 86. If you are using another platform, search for a platform and install it. I am using Windows 32-bit. If you are on 64, you can download this. I am going to start with this. In the same way, download Java NetBeans. Open oracles.com and click here to install Java NetBeans JDK. The latest version is JDK 8. Install this. So click on accept license and select your operating system. I am on Windows 86. Install this. Okay guys, now I will show you how to install Java and configure it to your PC. Open programs and install java.exe. Click on, it will take some time, it will configure your PC. Then click on next, and let it install. Okay guys, when the installation is complete, simply click on close. Then navigate to my PC or my computer. Go to, right click on my computer and go to system properties. In here click on advanced settings and search for environment variables. In this, scroll down and select path. Here after this put an semicolon and paste the following code. Go to local disk C and search where Java is installed. Go to programming files Java and select its path. Simply copy that path and paste the path in that file, in that pop-up. After, remember to put semicolon, otherwise it will not work. Put semicolon and paste it. In the same way, go back and copy path of other folder. Simply copy that path and paste it in the same code after semicolon. Remember to put semicolon and click on OK. It will look like this. Click OK and then click OK and this, and that's all. Now Java is installed for computer. To check, go to command prompt and type the same program JAVAC and press enter. If it's look like this means Java is successfully installed on your computer. Okay guys, that's it for this video. In the next video I will show you how to install Eclipse, means Java IDE, on your system, and we will learn more basics of Java. Do share these videos with your friends, keep like and subscribe for more upcoming updates. Till then, keep learning.